Hey, real quick, if you're looking for a solid affiliate program to promote, stop chasing commissions first. Start with community, let me explain. The best affiliate programs aren't just about high payouts, they're about connection. If you want consistent, long-term results, find a product or platform that already has a real community around it. I'm talking about people who use it, love it, and talk about it. Because when there's genuine belief, it's way easier to promote. You're not selling, you're sharing something that works. So here's the rule. Before you sign up for any affiliate link, ask yourself, do people actually care about this? Is there a Facebook group, a subreddit, a Discord, a YouTube channel where people are talking about it? If the answer's yes, you found a winner. Community equals proof, and proof builds trust, and trust gets clicks. So skip the gimmicks, find the tribe, then earn while serving them. That's how smart affiliate marketers play the game.